Hello my creative friend, it's Olga Sorokina here, and welcome to this video in which I want to share with you the process of creation of this particular sketch. I'm gonna cover such topics as markers, paper I've used, how long did it take. I will talk about client 3D, so let's get started. So for the paper, I've used economy marker pad. It's an A3 format marker paper, and I really love how marker colors work on it. And please always remember that marker paper tend to have only one side on which marker will work properly. The other side, everything will smudge. So I started with a quick draft preliminary sketch. And then I proceeded with pencil drawing on A3 format after customer was agreed with my draft drawing in terms of composition and perspective. By the way, in terms of perspective, client provided me with 3D renders, and as you can imagine, it was very helpful because I didn't have to build all this perspective. By the way, this drawing is in 2-point perspective. In total, this sketch took me about 90 minutes to accomplish, not to say that I haven't had to build perspective here, so those 3D models were really of help to me. Alright, so for the markers, I used here touch markers, chart pack markers, also Copic Chow, and one marker which brand is Tombov ABT. It's an acid 3 marker, and as you can see, for the plants, I tend to use like brush nib and also wide nibs of markers. Some final details and accents I did with my black marker. More to say, I really loved the idea behind this interior. I loved the interior design. It's actually a new eatery hub in Auckland, New Zealand, the city where I live right now. So I really love this project. It's opening gonna be very soon on Vineyard Quarter in Auckland. So my creative friend, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope it was of help to you. And if you want to learn more about perspective drawing, I want to welcome you to join my video courses on marker shading and interior design drawing. Also, I'd love you to read my blog on interior design sketching. Just head over to my website olgaart888.com. And as I promised, I have a very special present for you, like a little gift that I would love to offer. It's actually a free video course on perspective. So thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with your creative friends, maybe on Facebook, on social media. And at the very end, I want to invite you to join my completely free online challenge. It's a mini course on perspective drawing. So if you are an interior designer or interior design student, it would be great for you. So direct link is in the description box below. So see you there. Bye for now. And of course, my dear friends, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends.